Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Furniture Sliders is probably one of the most underrated inventions for home movers and furniture arrangers. They effortlessly glide your heavy furniture across any floor type, from plush carpets to smooth hardwood, minimizing scratches and strain. This video will review the top furniture sliders on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and durability to help you find the perfect set for your needs, whether you're tackling a small rearrangement or a full-scale move. Number 5. Round Furniture Moving Kit. Say goodbye to scratched floors and hello to effortless furniture moving. This kit makes moving heavy furniture a breeze, protecting your floors while you glide. With 16 pieces in this value pack, you'll have plenty of pads to protect all your furniture. They're made of durable EVA foam felt for long-lasting use. These felt pads are perfect for hardwood, tile, and other hard surfaces. They prevent scratches, marring, and noise while moving furniture. The EVA foam sliders allow for smooth, easy movement of your furniture. No more struggling or worrying about damaging your floors. It's designed for repeated use. Leave them under your furniture for easy moving and cleaning, whenever you need it. Use them on tables, sofas, beds, dressers, really any furniture with legs. They're even great for heavy appliances. The felt pads provide excellent grip and protection for your furniture and floors. Move your furniture with confidence, knowing it's safe and secure. Each round pad measures 89 mm, and the entire kit weighs 233 g, including packaging. It's lightweight and easy to store. What we like? This value pack offers many pieces made of high-quality EVA foam. They're reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you need a cost-effective solution for protecting your floors and moving furniture easily, this is a great choice. What people say. I have very heavy large work desk with 2 monitors and other equipment on. It's literally a pain to move. It takes so much to move it just a few feet. I always worry I'm going to snap the legs off from pushing and pulling it. Not wanting to go though all of that another time, I found these little miracles on here. I had to have help to put them under the legs, but when I say this thing moved, it moved. Effortlessly. I was even able to move it by myself without much force at all. If you have heavy furniture that is hard to move on hard floors or carpet, these work great. The felt ones are for the hard floors and the hard plastic ones are for carpet. We had some painters painting the inside of our house and they used some of these to move our furniture around so they could paint the walls. So after they finished, I looked on Amazon and found these, and they make it easy for my wife and I to move our furniture around without hurting our backs. I will be ordering some more for some other heavy furniture in our house so I can leave them on the furniture all the time and not have to worry when I need to clean behind the heavy furniture. They make moving furniture on rugs no issue to move. Number 4. Ezprotekt Furniture Sliders. Moving heavy furniture is a struggle, especially with different floor types. These multi-surface movers make it easy, no matter if you have carpet or hardwood floors. It comes with both carpet sliders and hardwood socks. You get the right tool for every surface in your home, making moving furniture a breeze. At 5 inches, they're the ideal size for distributing weight evenly. Say goodbye to scratches and damage to your floors. Made from thick, durable plastic, these sliders are built to last. You can use them again and again to move your furniture with ease. We're so confident you'll love them, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll give you a full refund. Don't wait. Click Add to Cart and experience the effortless furniture moving with Ezprotekt. What we like? These sliders are designed for both carpet and hardwood, offering versatility. Their larger size ensures better weight distribution. If you have both carpet and hard floors and want a durable, reliable solution, this is for you. What people say. The Ezprotekt furniture sliders are a total game changer. This 8+8 pack provides everything I need to move furniture easily while protecting both carpet and hardwood floors. The dual functionality is brilliant. The sliders work perfectly on carpets, and the included socks make them safe for hardwood and tile surfaces. The 312-inch size is ideal for most furniture legs and bases, and the sliders are sturdy and durable. I recently rearranged my living room, and these made moving heavy couches, chairs, and tables effortless. No scratches, no back strain, and no noise. I recently had my rugs picked up and the hardwood floors underneath refinished. Moving heavy furniture on bare wood risks making scratches. Moving heavy furniture on carpeting is difficult. Sliders are the answer. What comes in the package are sliders that work on either surface. Smooth side glides on the carpet, but there are little woolly covers to put over the smooth side if you want to place the furniture legs on the wood. What a nice surprise. Number 3. Furniture Slider 8-piece set. Moving heavy furniture is now a breeze. These sliders effortlessly glide on any floor type, making moving your sofa, bed, or even a refrigerator simple and stress-free. This set includes both large and small sliders, ensuring you have the right size for every piece of furniture. It's the perfect solution for moving anything, big or small. They glide smoothly across carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Say goodbye to struggling and hello to effortless furniture movement. These sliders protect your floors from scratches and dents while saving your back from the strain of heavy lifting. Moving furniture has never been easier or safer. Cleaning behind large furniture is no longer a chore. These sliders allow you to easily move heavy items to access those hard-to-reach spots. Worried about damaging your floors? Don't be. These sliders prevent scratches, dents, and scrapes, keeping your floors looking their best. What we like? This set includes a variety of sizes to accommodate different furniture. It's a great value with many pieces. If you need to move furniture of various sizes and want a smooth, easy glide, consider this option. What people say. What a cinch it is to move even heavy furniture with these. Even very heavy pieces glide easily and transition smoothly from hardwood to over-area rugs. And the rugs never scrunch up. We needed to move our 1,000 pounds pool table so new carpet could be installed. After jacking up each end of the pool table, we put under the large moving pads. We were able to slide the pool table from our old carpet to our laminated dining room floor, over the transition step between the rooms. Easy to use and no stress on the back to move large sections of furniture. My second set. The first set I bought a very long time ago. Holds up well. Number 2. Super Sliders Furniture Sliders. Moving heavy furniture is now a breeze. These sliders glide smoothly across hard floors, making it a one-person job. Say goodbye to scratches and dents. They distribute weight evenly, safeguarding your surfaces from damage. Simply slide them under your furniture legs, foam side up, for a secure and stable grip. Made from heavy-duty felt and EVA foam, they're built to withstand repeated use and keep your furniture steady. You'll receive 4 beige oval sliders, each measuring 312 by 6 inches. Perfect for all your furniture moving needs. They work great on wood, laminate, tile, and engineered plank floors. Move your furniture with confidence on any hard surface. What we like? These sliders feature a durable felt bottom for smooth movement. They're designed to protect your floors from scratches and damage. If you prioritize effortless movement and surface protection, this is perfect for you. What people say. These work so well, I was pretty amazed how easy it was to slide heavy furniture with them. Our entire house is hard floors, so these will come in handy a lot. Decided to really get the carpet steamers in for a total job, doing under and behind all my furniture, including very heavy dressers and china cabinets. Put them on, then they slid pretty easily, pull near the bottom or middle of the furniture, cleaned up the million dust bunnies on the wires and back of furniture etc., vacuumed, and left pulled out for the carpet steamers. The workers love them too. They pre-treated and steamed behind everything, then slid everything back and no charges extra since they did not have to put those styrofoam dealies under them, and it was so easy for them. I will keep them installed forever. These furniture movers and sliders are the best I have ever purchased. I use them to move 2 large sofas on a wooden floor. Since placing them under the sofa legs, they have remained in place and done the job I bought them for perfectly. Number 1. Ezprotekt Furniture Movers. These reusable furniture sliders are made with felt and rubber foam for a strong grip that won't damage your furniture. They're durable and can be used again and again. Moving furniture is a breeze with these sliders. Simply place them under your heavy items and glide them across carpets and hard floors. Save time and energy with these reusable pads. Say goodbye to scratches and scuffs. These thick sliders create a protective barrier between your furniture and floors, keeping them looking beautiful. This 8-pack includes sliders for both carpets and hard floors. They're perfect for all kinds of furniture, from sofas to refrigerators. We're confident you'll love these furniture sliders. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? These extra-large sliders offer superior grip and protection. They're designed for both carpet and hardwood floors. If you need to move heavy furniture easily and protect your floors, this is a great option. What people say. These reusable oval furniture moving pads are nothing short of a game-changer for anyone dealing with heavy furniture. Measuring 912x534, they provide ample surface area to support even the bulkiest items. The oval shape is particularly clever, as it allows for smooth, multidirectional movement without any awkward stops or starts. In the past, we had to take our couch apart to move it. Now, we put these under each corner and it will easily slide across the room. We were also able to move a heavy curio cabinet with ease. These allowed me to move a very heavy power 3-seat love seat when I had new flooring put in. The investment in these saved me the cost for the installers to move furniture, and they charge extra for powered recliners. I decided to keep them under the legs to help protect my new flooring. Yes, they work fine for that and are bigger than the felt pads the flooring store gave me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.